All right, come with me for this quick tour of the Airbnb that I'm staying at. It's $25 per night here in Juarez, Mexico. I think it's a good location. I'm literally 10 minutes away from the historic center walking. And right in front, as you can see right there, that's the university. And that's where the bus route is also. It's the red bus. I don't know the direction, but that's it right here. And I'm going to show you right now in front of the Airbnb. Below it is an oxxo, so you got 24 hours oxxo. You can buy stuff that you want. And here you can always come and get your natural fruit and natural juice. Gracias, you know. All right, so we're gonna walk to where the Airbnb is and how you get inside. So yeah, you gotta press the button to get inside, and then somebody's gonna come and open it up. Ah, gracias. Yes, and in this area, this is a common area. So now that you see the Airbnb, what do you think? Do you think it's worth the price, $25? Let me know, okay? And if this video was helpful, thank you. Just leave a comment, share. I appreciate it. And don't forget to like.